They say it's alright. They say it's alright. Say it's alright. Have a good time, 'cause it's alright. Everybody knows that it's alright. Whoa, it's alright.
You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives a man insane. You broke my will, oh, what a thrill. Goodness, you're raking some quitting balls of fire. Balls of fire.
It's the sweat.
And things beginning to heat up. Is on fire.
It's the muscle.
You're so strong, so strong. He turns any court into Muscle Beach.
It's the ultimate workout.
Look at Rodman. Where did he come from? What an effort by Grant. Starks hooks it away. Look at him work. Oh, what a block. They beat past the cap. He'll play it down. He went airborne.
I love this game.
It's the greatest show on earth. Flying through the air with the greatest of ease. Oh, what a circus shot that was. Wow! Is the circus in town? We love this game. Up in the air. And how high? Oh, it floats high into the air. Are you ready to fly? Together we'll reach for the sky. Are you ready to fly? Oh, what a circus shot in the back door. And listen to the fans here. Wrap around the zone. I love this game. Here's Tim Hardaway behind the back. Oh, he spins and goes. I'ma get mine. I want to see sweat coming out your pores. Come on, come on. Monster slam. Feel it, feel it. Drexler. Oh. Feel the vibration. Nice pass. Oh. for you. What more can I do? 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 What more
cómo se mueve, mira cómo baila, mira cómo salta. Robin Elliott,
Hey, tremendous, Doc. And look, I love this guy.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. P is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore. Love was made for me and you. On a Sunday afternoon, I can't imagine anything that's better. The world is ours whenever we're together. There ain't a place I like to be instead of moving.
I love this game. I love this game. The Radio City Rockettes present I Love This Game.